One of the easiest modifications for changing the look of your Jeep Wrangler is taillights. It only takes 4 bolts in a few minutes and you will have a complete different look of the rear end of your Jeep. The taillights that I'm going to be installing today are 30-watt LED lights with a built-in resistor, as you can see on the back here. There is a US version and also a European version. So here I have the new aftermarket taillights that are a direct replacement to your 2007 and up Jeep Wrangler JKU next to the factory taillights. And I'll show you in a minute how to take them out. It is very easy. But I just wanted to point out some differences between them. As you can see, the wiring for these LED taillights are actually a lot thicker than what comes with factory. With these new LED taillights, you will not have to mount a resistor on the inside since it is already built in. You can see the plugs are the exact same on your new lights as the original OEM lights are. So to remove these factory taillights or any taillight on your 2007 and up Jeep Wrangler JKU, you want to remove the 2 inner bolts on the taillights. So I'm going to do that for you. They are rather long. Once you have the screws removed, it can be rather tight to remove these taillights for the first time, but all you need to do is slide it towards the tire, the rear tire carrier of the Jeep. That goes for both sides of the vehicle. Once it slides out, you're going to see a little clip on the taillight harness here, and you're just going to press it and pull out. Your taillight is removed. To install your new taillight, you're going to do the exact opposite. So you're going to plug your harness in until it snaps. You're going to start towards the tire of the Jeep. You're going to press in and push outwards. These newer ones can be a little tight to get in. Just keep messing with it until you can feel it kind of in its right place. You're then going to replace the screws in the inner, upper, and lower holes and tighten them down. Once you have both screws in, you're done. You can move on to the other side. Now I'm not going to show you the other side because it is a repeat of this side. So these 3 rows of LEDs are your running and turn signal lights, along with this U part of LEDs there. These 4 bigger LEDs are your reverse lights, and they are extremely bright. They make backing up way easier. This red part is just a reflector. These upper and lower lights on the side are just running lights and they light up red. The center part is again another reflector. guys like this type of video, please like and subscribe. It will help me out a bunch. And let me know what you want to see next.